Hey, I know you're looking for digital marketing training, and that is exactly why I'm serving this ad to you. I am Prashant from Make Marketeer, India's first 100% real-time digital marketing bootcamp. And I want to come across to you with an important message. If you're looking to make a career in digital marketing, bootcamp is the solution. There's a lot of difference between finding a job and making a career. If you just want to find a job, there are many other courses in the market which might help you. But if you're looking to make a career in digital marketing, bootcamp is the only solution, because this is for 5 to 6 hours, and the kind of content that is delivered here is of high quality and of high standards. You'd get to work on a complete e-commerce website. You would have your own e-commerce site and create campaigns for that e-commerce site, to an extent that you work on data layers, cross-domain tracking, sub-domain tracking, and the most advanced concepts that are generally implemented by people with years of experience. And if you successfully complete this bootcamp, you'll become somebody with an experience of 3 to 5 years, equivalent to 3 to 5 years of experience. Trust me guys, if you're looking to make a career, there's no other option except bootcamp. If you want to know about bootcamp, you can go to my YouTube channel, watch some videos, they're free. I've put more than 100 videos. You can watch these content, you get an idea about the quality we deliver. Trust me, this is something special. This is not a regular course. You can compare this, or if you're really interested to know more, you can come down to our office and you can be a part of 1-2 sessions. That way you'll have a better idea, and then you can go to any institute and you can compare with any other program. And this is the kind of program that puts you in a position to make a career, and that can happen only when you have impeccable subject. And that is exactly why the bootcamp was initiated. You not just learn deep skills, but you also learn to change your mindset, that you would go after growth. You would not just restrict yourself to conversion rate, you would focus on growth rate as well. Thank you so much, and I would tell you again, please just go through my videos. You'll have an idea about the content that I'm trying to talk about and the content we deliver. You'd make an informed decision. Thank you so much.